Hey you guys, it's your girl Princess again. I'm coming to you today with a little short video. I did someone's hair. I just wanted to post it so you guys can see. She got a middle part sewn with the leave out. She got two 26 and 22-inch loose wave hair that I sell myself. She also wanted it crimped because she was going out of town, so I crimped it with a little got to be spray before I put the crimp on it so that it can last longer and hold. And she loved it. I loved it. I just wanted to give you guys this quick little video so you can see how I did it and different ways to crimp your hair.